Good morning, guys. Good morning, YouTubers. Let's shoot a video capturing the sounds and the place, the shore, the beach, the surroundings. And we are now currently at San Fernando Beach. Very clean. There's no trash. The shore is clean. The waves are a little bit strong. And a little bit dangerous. Pinagbabawal ang may pumunta sa malayo. May mga may mga lifeguards. So pag pumunta ka sa malayo, susultipan ka. Alam niyo yung sultip, yung whistle, yun. Narinig yung whistle. Ibig sabihin doon may winawarningan doon sa kabila. Ayun, tumigil na sila. Sandali, i-video nga natin. Pabalik na sila, pinapabalik na. Yan, videoin ko sila, sandali lang. Ayun, babalik na sila. Ayan. Kasi nasultipan sila eh. Whistle. Sabi wag kayong pumunta dyan. Bata pa kayo. Maraming beses pa kayong babalik dito. Huwag niyong gawing this is the last time. Yeah. Importante pa rin ang safety. Safety of yourself and of others. Good morning, good morning. Oops, tumalakas ng alon. And andito pang mga nagja-jogging na mga kasama nating nagbi-beach. And alright, let's enjoy.